Welcome to Wiki Journal. In this tutorial, we will show you how to delete multiple messages on Instagram. Through this channel, we provide you tips and tricks on Instagram and complete playlist on it, and the link is in the description. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. First go to the messages and hold on the message. It allow us only to delete one of the messages. So we will show you how to delete multiple messages. So first you have to go to your setting and click on the setting and privacy. Inform you that we will first convert our account to professional account or business account. So now we will search for to switch account types. Click on this and you see the switch to professional account. Click on it. Once you click on it, there are some steps that you have to click on continue and select one of the best described you. So when you select it, so then click on the next. So your profile will be converted into professional account, and then we will go back to the messages to show you that how we will delete multiple messages. So go back to the messages portion, go to the home, and you see the option messages. Click on it. So now you see the multiple selection option at the top. Once you click on it, it will allow you to select multiple messages, and we will select all of this which we want to delete, and then click on the delete. Once you click on the delete, it will delete your all of the messages which you selected. So this is the simple way to delete multiple messages. If this video is informative for you, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.